In this video, I'll show you how to get the perfect purple mix using different shades of red and blue. Stay with me until the end to see the perfect purple you may want to use to your watercolor paintings. In my watercolor tablet tutorial, I mix Quinacridone Rose and French Ultramarine from Daniel Smith. If you want to see the full tutorial of my watercolor dahlia, you tap the card at the upper right and check the link in the description box below.
I have here my watercolors in different brands of reds and blues, and let's watch first the brands that I have here. Purples, I have here from Winsor. This is Permanent Mauve. I what my paints for you. Okay, before showing this, so this is Permanent Mauve. Okay, and I have here from Qor. This is the opposite purple. Okay, so this is the purple that is really bright and lovely. Let's see how we could get something like this or closer. So for getting purple, what we need is a shade of red and a shade of blue. Alright. So these are Winsor red and Winsor blue. So let's see if we can get something like that. Okay. Because in getting purple, you could actually mix and match the colors. Okay, so this is the Winsor red, that is bright red, and we have here Winsor blue. Let's try using Alizarin crimson, and I will add here Winsor blue. Okay, for some reason Alizarin crimson is better. Okay, it is better than the Winsor red and blue. It's beautiful purple. Okay, let's try other brands. Let's try to have Daniel Smith. This is Quinacridone Rose. Get more Quinacridone Rose of Daniel Smith. And I'll get, this is a cool red. I'll get cool blue. This is Phthalo blue green shade. Okay, and that's what I have. It's bright purple. This is, I used two colors of cool red and cool blue, cool tones. So this time I will use Quinacridone Rose. It is a cool red color, and this is French Ultramarine, which is a warm blue. Spiral Scarlet. This is orangey red, and then I'll mix it with Phthalo blue green shade of cool blue. Okay. I'll get a bit more of Scarlet. Alright. And there we go. It doesn't look really good. Alright. It did not make any photo. Let's try Spiral Scarlet. This is it. This is orangey. And French Ultramarine. I did not clean my brush. I will just a little bit get of French Ultramarine. A little bit more. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm still reddish. I'll get more of French Ultramarine here. And let's see. Okay, somehow I'm getting nice purple mix. Okay, if I'll add a little bit more of French ultramarine. Okay, and this is what I'm getting. Okay, so it's good, but it should have more French ultramarine than the Paris Scarlet. Now I'll try different color. This is from different brand, which is Qor. That's what I have. Okay, now I'm going to try the Quinacridone Magenta from Qor, and I will also mix this with teal. And let's see. Okay. There we go. When I mix it together, it is nice purple shade. Okay. So this is from Qor, and I love it. I actually tried mixing and swatching before. You can check out my swatching video of Qor or in the link below. Alright, so that's it. And this time I will try to mix this Quinacridone Magenta with different shades of blue. Okay, so this is the Qor Quinacridone Magenta. I'll mix it with Winsor blue, green shade, and Winsor blue. Okay, Winsor blue and Quinacridone Magenta. Okay, it also has a nice purple. Because both of them are cool shades, so it has bright purple as well. I'll get Quinacridone Magenta again. And I'll try this with French Ultramarine.
This is Qor Quinacridone Magenta and Daniel Smith Phthalo Blue Green shade. I'm swatching Winsor Newton Professional Permanent Alizarin Crimson. And then I will mix it with Daniel Smith Phthalo Blue Green shade.
If you find this video helpful, kindly tap the like button. If you want to see videos like this, consider subscribing and make sure you have the bell notification on so you'll be notified if I upload a new video.
I am swatching Winsor Newton Professional Alizarin Crimson. And then I will mix it with Qor Cobalt Teal. This time, I'll mix the best purple mixes I tried earlier. This is Qor Quinacridone Magenta and Qor Cobalt Teal. Next is Qor Quinacridone Magenta with Daniel Smith Phthalo Blue Green shade. This time, I have Qor Quinacridone Magenta with Daniel Smith French Ultramarine. This one is Daniel Smith Quinacridone Rose with a mix of Qor Cobalt Teal. Here is Daniel Smith Quinacridone Rose with French Ultramarine, also from Daniel Smith. This is the mix I use in Dahlia and one of my favorites. And lastly, I have Winsor & Newton Professional Permanent Alizarin Crimson with Winsor Blue Red shade. You can do this by swatching the colors you have in your watercolor palette and make sure to record them in your sketchbook as reference. It looks like I didn't get the same colors from the two I swatched earlier. Most likely the companies use different pigments on them. I hope this video helps. I'll see you next time.